Hi guys, how are you today? I hope you're fine and you're having a good time. We have pendant the work about Charles Dickens, but we are not going to check until we have our next session at Zoom. Yeah, so today we are going to work on something different. And well, remember that we have been talking about the things that make you laugh. So that means the things that are funny for you or that you consider funny. So to illustrate that, we are going to make two diagrams with your own information. Yeah, so here I have examples. You will have to draw these on your notebooks and obviously send me the page for the photos. Yeah, there are two charts. So we are going to start with the first. And the first chart says what makes you laugh. Yeah, what are the things that make you laugh? And we have four categories. So in the first category, we have people. So we are going to complete with people that makes you laugh. For example, in my case, people who make me laugh, my students. Mhm. Then TV shows that make me laugh. Well, there are many, but I can mention Malcolm in the Middle. Or another TV show that makes me laugh could be Diagonal. Are the two things that make me laugh. Books that make me laugh. Well, there are many books that make me laugh. But I can mention well, talking about Charles Dickens. Tom Sawyer is a book that makes me laugh a lot. Another book that makes me laugh. Well, there are many books written like in the comic style. It is a Mexican author. His name is Trino. So the books that make me laugh a lot are Trino's books. So I have two options. And in the last category, I have other things that make me laugh. So what other things make you laugh? So in my case, other things that make me laugh a lot are my cats and my dogs. They make me laugh a lot. They really make me laugh. So, but in this part, I could add in people that make me laugh, I will add my students and my nieces and nephews. Okay, so obviously you're going to complete these with your own information. Yes, not with my information. I am writing my information here to give you an idea of what you have to do. Yes. Okay. Then in the next chart, we have specifically who makes you laugh. Who makes you laugh the most? Yes, you have to mention 4 people that make you laugh. Yes. So I will start, for example, with a person who really makes me laugh is Emilia. And I am going to explain why Emilia makes me laugh. So I will say that she's always saying things like the voice she likes. We're telling gossips. So for me, that's very funny from Emilia. Yes. Okay. Another person who makes me laugh, Giovanni. And I will explain why Giovanni makes me laugh. Well, so this is what you're going to do. You need to complete these two charts and send them back. Okay, you're going to draw this on your notebook. Please use your creativity so you can do a very nice work. I know you can do very nice work. So please use your creativity. If you send me a work like in primary, I won't accept it. You are very creative, so you can do it very well. Okay? Well, so based on this topic, after you finish your charts, you are going to help me to answer these 4 questions. Well, the first assignment we have, close your eyes and think of a funny thing you have seen. Describe. Okay, so you're going to copy the statement and describe that funny thing that you saw when you closed your eyes. Yes? Question number 2. Do you think you have a good sense of humor? Yes. So what? Why? Explain. Why do you think you have a good sense of humor? Okay. And number 3. What does it mean for you, a good sense of humor? What do you consider a good sense of humor? And the last question says, do people around you have good sense of humor? Explain your answer. Okay, if you consider that your classmates have a good sense of humor, you have to tell me, why do you think so? Yeah, for example, I can say that. I can say that Erin has a good sense of humor because he is very similar to me and he laughs at the same things that I laugh. Maybe for you or for some of you, Erin's sense of humor is not good because the things that are funny for him are not funny for you. Yeah, so this is more or less the idea. So if you consider that the people around you, well, let's close the question. The people who is closer to you, let's talk about your best friends or your better friends in the class. Do you think they have a good sense of humor? And why do you think so? Explain why you think they have good sense of humor. Okay. So when you finish this, we are going to pass to the vocabulary. Okay, so what you have to do is to write a definition, your own definition, in your own words, a definition for each one of the words that we have here. Yeah, what's the definition? What's your definition for communicate? What's your definition for make fun, wrong, feelings, understand, probably, afraid, and imagine? Yes? So you have to send me your own definition. I won't accept it if you search for the definition in the book and you send me that definition, because obviously you know that you have the definitions in the book, but that's not what I need. I need you to write your own definition with your own words. If you want to send me a synonym, that's correct, that's okay. But the idea is that you write your own definition, okay? So once you have finished with that, you are going to pass to your book on page 83, and well, you're going to practice the vocabulary. Yes, here's where you are going to find the vocabulary words. I repeat, it's page 83. Yes. And well, that's all for today. We are going to do the listening the next class. So you have many activities to send. You have to send me the 2 charts, then the questions, the vocabulary, and the page of the book. Okay? Well, guys, so have a good day. Thank you. See you next class. Have an excellent day. Bye.